Hi, my name is Sheree Williams. I'm excited to be starting this course. I am excited to be in the final year of grad school. I will be going into my specialized, I guess, field this coming fall. I will be doing an internship with our intensive outpatient program where I'll be doing therapy work under a lot of the therapists there. So I'm excited to learn a lot under them. A little background. I've been in social work field 10 plus years. I love what I do. I'm just walking in my purpose. It's my passion. I am a bleeding heart. I have a little heart right here on my wrist. I wear my heart on my sleeve. I don't know if you can see it. But I love what I do. It's definitely a God-given job because I you definitely got to be chosen to do this work, and because we don't make a lot of money, but it's really really rewarding. Um, I currently am a mental health care manager. I work with the mental health in the mental health field, and I love my clients. I do. I have a few favorites. Shh, not supposed to, but I love what I do. However, one day I hope to get my LCSW, and I wouldn't mind opening my own group home because I would like to go back and work with the youth. I've worked with the youth. I've worked with uh, I've worked at halfway houses with ex-convicts. I've worked with the elderly. But the adolescents, the at-risk youth, that's definitely home for me. I love working with the youth. Um, I have done case management for quite some time. Social work has definitely been a big, big, big part of my life, and I can't seem to get away from it. So I say, hey, you know what? I might as well keep going. And so a lot of the things I've seen working in this field, I feel like I want to kind of like see if I can do it better. I've worked at a few group homes and didn't really like how they were ran. So I felt like, you know what? I can maybe get my own one day. So that's my end goal. That's what I want to end up doing. Um, Let me see. So yeah, I've got a lot of experience in the field. Uh, Grad school has definitely, man, just expanded my palette for this field even more. And I've learned so many things with interventions and things like that. And it's just we have a really really amazing uh, job us as social workers. So AKA scientists, as they say. All right. So some of the goals for developing into a clinical social worker. Well, including my opportunities right now. Let's see. I'm excited about my field placement, my internship this fall. I'll be working under some really good therapists at my job. Well, it's a different program. Um, so I'm excited to kind of like, get under them, learn some things and um, really, get to really, really dig my claws in and get to utilize, a lot of my interventions and things like that I've learned in school. So I'm excited. Some challenges I foresee. I don't really scare easy, so I like challenges. So I don't know, but maybe I would say I'm a I'm a bleeding heart. I'm a softie, so I mean it'll probably be hard to. A challenge for me has always been kind of self care, and I work on that more and more every day. So I tend to kind of like really really dig in and really 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 work hard and go hard for my clients. So that can be a challenge for me sometimes because I care deeply. Um, and I want to see people do well. I want to see people thrive. And since being working with the mental health population, I just feel like they're so forgotten that it just grinds my gears. Some of the treatment that I see a lot of them receive, even from their mid doctors, um, not a lot of bedside manner sometimes, but I just would like to see a change. And honestly, it just makes me work a little harder for them, and it I don't know, it just makes me feel better, knowing that they know someone cares for them and someone has their back and is advocating for them and trying to get them the resources they need and someone's there to hold their hand, and be there for them because a lot of my clients don't have support. So I it's rewarding knowing that they're happy they have a worker that cares and Yeah, so I'm excited. All right. Look forward to learning with everybody. And stay safe. And all right. Good luck with the course, guys. We got this. Bye.